Hi, this is Pam from StatDash. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to work with confidential and restricted dashboards. So here on the screen you see we have a dashboard called Advisory Board, and we have a team member called Pamela who hasn't yet contributed any statuses to the dashboard. So typically what we would do in this situation is we would either use the automated scheduler to send out automated requests on a timely basis to request status updates, or we can just send out manually and ask this user or this team member what their status is for each of the activities that they've been assigned. So I'm going to do the manual right now, and I'm going to click on this envelope icon. I'm going to choose my team member, and I'm going to send for an updated status. So this team member will receive an email which looks like this that has a link in it. Now I've already opened this link in another browser so that we don't have to log in and log out. So you'll see that this is the team members update page. They're not logged in. They don't need any information to log in, and they can just go here and they can choose their statuses. I'll agree. Let's see. And when they update their status, notice how they can see everybody's status in the dashboard. So everybody is on here and they can see everything. So that might be what you want, because if you have a team, you might want to be able to share information so that everyone knows the status of a project. But that might not be the intent if you say have an HR dashboard where you're kind of keeping this information from each person, and you don't necessarily want to share that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and we're going to change this dashboard, and we're going to make it confidential. All you have to do is click this check mark here, save it, and now I'm going to go back to this request. I'm going to refresh this page. So now you see this is the user coming, the team member coming in again to update their status, but now we've got a changed dashboard. So now when they, let's say they make an update their status, notice how now it says status updated, but they don't get to see anything on the dashboard. But maybe what your intent is, what you want them to be able to do is you want them to be able to see their statuses. So I'm going to change that confidential, and I'm not going to make it confidential. Instead, I'm going to make it a restricted dashboard. So restricted, as you see here, it says team members only see their own statuses. So now when I do that, I'm going to come here, I'm going to refresh my dashboard, my list, update the status, and now you see that this team member only sees their own statuses. So that's it. I hope that you have found this to be useful, and I hope that you'll see how restricted and confidential dashboards can help you maintain information, keep confidentiality, and work the way you need to. Be sure to check out our other videos at statdash.com.